Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the tracking feature in CapCut PC to make motion tracking in CapCut PC. So first you can prepare your video with a moving object like this. Yeah. And I'm going to tracking the object, this moving object. So how to just go to tracking. But before you can tracking with text, sticker and other images. So for instance, I'm going to select text um, to make it as an tracker. So I'm going to just to change the text, just type dot and resize and change for the color and size, and then put on top the object you want to track, and go to tracking and then motion tracking, select direction, just select but and turn on its scale and distance, and then you can select the object you want to track. This, just click start and just wait for applying the tracking feature to track the object, so you can see the text follow the object. Yeah, just wait. It takes a long time, and according to the duration of your video, you can make it shorter to make faster for the play the effect. Alright, so you guys, you can see for the final result like this. Here we go. Yeah, you can see the text follow the object. So that's how you can use the tracking feature in CapCut PC, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.